Here we go. This is second half. Second half of the case. So 2015 Contenders football half case number 2. These are your teams from a live auction in the room. Some people elected to keep their team from the first half. Some people didn't want them, so we re-auctioned them. Okay, there you go. There's the other 6 from the case. So, sorry, what was the over-under? Thank you, Jim. What was the over-under on the time from when we open the cards, or when we start to when we get to see the cards? 14, 10. You guys got a counter going right now? Rizzo says 8. When does the clock actually start? Has it already started? Thank you, MBZ. Do the best I can. I did pull one Griffey tonight. I'm not sure. I'm sure he's on both. I would think that he'd be on both. Two minutes down. Everything but base, Cap. Everything but base. Okay. I can't pay for your relocation fees, though. Keep... Yeah, don't keep it, but yeah. Just don't send it. I've been making a weekly trip to Goodwill. And I just sent you a bunch of stuff. And I just sent Carrie a bunch of stuff. That's probably where he's at right now. In hog heaven. Over his gigantic box of cards. Did you get that yet, by the way? The rookies don't have base cards. They're only autographs. No, not going back there. Aurora. Haha. I sent the first one. I had to wait for... I had to go pick up large flat rate boxes, and they only had 2. So I had the rest delivered, and they just showed up yesterday. Maybe it was Friday. Do you want a crap load of Contenders base cards? Because I've got a couple. He's going to be my sorters and shippers. The Bears, too. Just open a card shop. A group break shop. Have all my buddies work there. I'm not really interested in that, the Bears. I don't play well with others. Just waiting on you and Jimmy. Rob, just waiting on you and Jimmy. You guys gonna quit those jobs or what? Play with cards all day? Might put a kink in your retiring at 45 years old plan. All right. I've got half of a business model plan put together for you, if you'd like to use it. Did he die from chrome poisoning? What could happen to you if you opened 100 cases of chrome? Did he hit 0 superfractors? Topps Chrome Football? You gotta be some kind of board to do that. Oh, I forgot about the timer. How are we doing on the timer? $30 seconds left to what? 10 minutes? There, I beat it. I showed a card. Damn it, I failed. I failed by 12 packs. Stupid attention span. Well, I'm at 1326, and that's the start of the video. So, not too bad. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Backwards Mike Wallace. Upside down cards. Backwards Aaron Rod. Oh, this is going to be fun. Ben Roethlisberger to 199. Carlos Williams. Casey Pierce. Cracked Ice, #1. What are we at? 2.5 over under on Cracked Ice? Detroit Lions. Jake 834. There you go, buddy. Quan Alexander, Bucks. No, he didn't. He didn't have him in the first one either, though. Austin Hill, Jets. These are hard to hang on to. Justin Hardy, Falcons. Jake 834. Todd Gurley. Ty Montgomery. Cracked Ice. That's the second Cracked Ice Ty Montgomery we've hit. For the Green Bay Packers, Shadow 13 times. 13x. I don't know. Something. Pretty sick, huh? 2 cracked ice autos in the same box. Zach Vigil? Or that wasn't the same box, was it? Trey Williams to 199 playoff ticket. The Finns. Tyrell Williams, Chargers. Redskins did go to a new team, correct. Eric Rowe, Eagles to 99. The Finns. The Finns picking up the unwanteds. Doing well. Tyler Croft to 199. Bengals. Buzz. LT. Ronald Darby for the Bills to 25. There you go, Cap. Way to hang on to him. Aaron Rodgers to 199. David Cobb to 199. First of the break, second of the case. The Rob has the Bucks. Larry Fitzgerald to 199. Tyler Heineke, Vikings. Tyler Lockett for Charlie to 199. Rookie of the Year, contender. Literally. He was on the Rookie of the Year ballot. They finished that thing off yet? They say who the Rookie of the Year was? Saw they did the All-Pro team thing. Gus Johnson. Khalil Mack made it at 2 different positions. Insane. Yeah, it was Winston, Mariota, Gurley, Lockett, and the defender from the Chiefs, right? I always forget his name, even though he's a badass. C West. Chiefs. No Mariota? Oh, Gurley was on there. I guess Mariota missed too much time. So gonna put up some pretty good stats. Cody Fajardo. Alonzo Harris. Kelvin Benjamin to 199. Amir Abdullah. Terrence McGee. Dreamus Smith. No, I don't think they will. Unless they keep building the offensive and defensive line. Charles Woodson gonna retire? You think you think they will make the playoffs, Rob? $400 points to be randomed off. Sean Mannion. So, whoever wins the points, if you want me to take a picture of it and send it to you right away so you can redeem it so no one else does, because the code was showing on the camera, let me know. Otherwise, if that person isn't here, I'm just going to do a recap video. Well, I'll record the recap video separate from this video and only post that until the person gets it. Philip Dorsett for Rizzo. Surprisingly, there are people that watch group rake videos and wait for those to pop out and steal the number. Yeah, the back was showing though. Yeah, well, I would just like to not get accused of stealing people's points. So I'm going to try to do whatever I can to make sure that doesn't happen. Josh Harper, Raiders. Rennell Hall, Bucks. Jaquiski Tart, 49ers. How much do points even sell for anyway? Julio Jones to 99. Kevin White for the Falcons. Stephon Diggs, boom, to 199. State of Hockey. Nice. Yep, I put it at 2.5. Nobody took it. Everyone's like way over. Kamar Aiken, Ravens. Trey Williams, another Redskin. Sean Mannion to 199. Trey McBride to 49 for Jim Mint. There it is. There's another one. It's facing forward, though. I wonder if it's just a base. Yep. Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos to 23. Manning and Tebow fan. Nice. There you go, Charlie. J.I. That's rare. I think that's the first one we pulled of him. Any good in terms of what? Like resale value? The cracked ice? Yeah, the Ajayi. Good eye. I always forget to look for those. Chris Harper. And Mike Davis. Let's leave these last couple up. Do a recap. At least we had an Amari Cooper in the first half. Kind of a weak case overall. Did I miss something? Alright, here we go. Chris Harper, Kamar Allen, Josh Harper, Nick Boyle, Dreamus Smith, Terrence McGee, Cody Fajardo, C. West, Terrell Williams, Zach Virgil, Austin Hill, Trey Williams, Kevin White, Julio Jones to 99, Jaquiski Tart, Rennell Hall, Alonzo Harris, Gus Johnson, Taylor Heineke, Quan Alexander, Philip Dorsett, rookie ticket RPS, Trey McBride to 49, Demaryius Thomas cracked ice, Jay Ajayi, short variation, Tyler Croft to 199 to 25, Ronald Darby, rookie of the year contender, David Cobb to 199, Mike Davis, Sean Mannion to 199, 199 Stephon Diggs, Sean Mannion again, to 199, Tyler Lockett, Eric Rowe to 99, Trey Williams to 199, Justin Hardy, Ty Montgomery cracked ice, and Casey Pierce cracked ice. 21 of 23, 22 of 23. You can throw everybody in the randomizer for this 400 points right here. Here you go. Everybody's in. We're going 3 times. Whoever's on top gets a 400-point card. One, 2, and 3. Go to Edurx, EDURX, man. That's it on this one. Thank you all very much. See you next time.